Alright, so today's video is going to be a bit different. This past Saturday, April 15th, I got T-boned by a car leaving my house. Made it about 6 houses down. Here's the damage so far. It starts up, it runs. I was holding on so good I broke my bolts that hold my seat in. How that happens, I have no idea. She looks more cosmetic than any mechanical. Forks are still straight, but definitely gonna have to go with a different paint job. This is also a reminder that I was just going for a quick refill to meet with the guys later, and it's a trip I've made hundreds of times, and it's a reminder to wear your gear even for the shortest runs. I was going 2 blocks from the house. Witnesses said that once the car hit me, I went over top of the bike and slid 50 feet up under a car. Luckily I had my helmet on, and that's about what protected me. And I'm going to be doing a video on the helmet that I was wearing that day. I planned on doing a review anyways of the helmets that I have, but this one was definitely a better review, since it saved my life and got me back home. So I'll end this video and stay in touch. You'll see the video on the new helmet, or well, on my old helmet, coming up here soon. So this is the intersection that it happened at. There's some cars parked here. There's cars parked all along here. I was going westbound on Mary. I got right here to about the intersection, and I realized this car wasn't stopping. I tried to rev my engine. I slammed on the brakes. I was doing about 25. It's a residential area. No need for speed on this. I hit somewhere right about here. He didn't stop. And this is where I hit. Somehow, this is the point that I got ejected. My bike dug in to the concrete here. Kept going. Ended somewhere right about here. And there was a Oldsmobile parked right here. And from what witnesses said, because I don't remember any of it after I got hit, apparently I went up under to the rear axle of the Buick, dented their bumper and all that. I remember waking up and just I had some amazing neighbors out here helping me out. They had already, when they seen what was going on when the car turned out in front of me and hit me, they went ahead and started calling 911. They said I got myself out from underneath the car and got myself laid up on the grass right here. I don't remember getting myself out from under the car. I just remember saying that I was hurt and I needed 911. Man, that was a bad spot to be in. And when you're hurt like that, and you're so disoriented, you don't realize how long seconds are and minutes are. They seem like an eternity. I hope nobody that's riding has to ever feel what that felt like, ever. That was a scary moment. I remember when I was laying here, they had me on my side. I couldn't feel from my neck down. When the firefighters showed up, they put me on the backboard and I was able to feel, which was, oh man, that was the pinnacle of the day. That was the best news I'd received that day, is that I wasn't paralyzed. But some photos will be uploaded of some of the injuries. I just wanted to give an update. And 6 to 8 weeks, I'll be back up and riding. The bike will have new plastics on it, and it'll be better than before. So there'll be much more content coming. Again, thanks for everyone who has subscribed and will subscribe. I appreciate you. Anybody that's liked my videos and followed me through, I couldn't do it without you, and I want to say thank you. It means a lot.